Cooked that thing today, guys. I mean, triceps are even sore. Chest did so hard. Started out natural grip serpentine presses. Went to incline dumbbells. On both of those, I did drop sets after I'd done 10 sets. And then 3 drop sets, reducing the weight by a third each time. Then did machine dips. Same with them. Drop sets, reduced by a third all the way. Then